Hello my friends and welcome to the Electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha. Today we are looking at a new design of a mini disc container. This is like a box for storing your mini disc, and as you see, this is designed to store 8 mini disc in their sleeves. I had a few requests from the viewers that they prefer to have mini disc boxes that contains full mini disc, like a mini disc and the sleeve. Here we are, this is it. So if you compare to 8 bare mini disc, it contains 10 and a little bit smaller case. This one contains 8 obviously and a little bit larger. So the beauty of this case that you can actually obviously store it closed up like this for protection or carrying. You can store it like that, on your desk. If you want, you can angle it as the way you want it. You can angle it this way, store it. You can even do this if you want. This is endless possibilities, obviously, because these things are nested, but you can actually seal it, close it, and either store it for protection. It's also nicely stackable and the same size. You can store it the way you want it. So here we are. So this design will be available on Etsy, and if you want this thing to be 3D printed, obviously it is 3D printed, please either contact me or go directly to Etsy and order. Well guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Stay safe and ciao, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.